Hi and welcome to MetaLocator. In this video example, we're going to take you through all the steps you need to perform to get up and running with our software. The first thing you'll need is a free trial account. You can get that for free for the first 30 days by clicking Start Free Trial anywhere in MetaLocator.com. Fill out your first name, last name, email address, and password, and click Sign Up to get started. MetaLocator will present various prompts to help you get started with the software. Click Continue as step 1. In this step, we ask you what type of solution you're trying to create. In this video, we're going to create a store locator. I'm going to click Select under Store Locator. The next step in the process is to import our stores. In this example, we have an opportunity to download sample files, or we can skip importing altogether and work with sample data. Before we continue, I'm going to download one of these sample files. Most of these columns you should recognize. They include things like name, address, city, state, postal code, and phone. This is the general format your data should be in before continuing. If you're ready to import data, go ahead and click Continue to import stores. If you're not ready, you can click Skip Data Import. I'm going to click Continue to import stores. We're going to upload a CSV file in this example, exactly the file that we were just looking at. But we could also pull that same data from Google Sheets, Salesforce, SFTP, and other sources. In this example, we're going to upload a CSV. Click Select File to pull that file from my computer. And then MetaLocator will examine the file, present a preview of the data, and compare the columns in the data file with the columns MetaLocator is expecting. If there are any it doesn't recognize, it will highlight them in red with the option to either ignore that field or to create it on the fly as a custom field. Once you've reviewed all these options, go ahead and click Next to continue. Now, since we've just created a free trial account, this account has no data in it, but if it did, we'd have options to replace the data in the account with what we're uploading or various synchronization options. In this example, I'm just going to click Add. Clicking Finish will allow the data to import. We can click View All Records to see what we've imported. Notice the data in MetaLocator now matches the data we're reviewing in the spreadsheet. The next step in the process is to actually build our store locator. So go ahead and click Continue to create an interface. The first step in creating an interface is choosing a template. In this example, I'm going to choose Rich Media, but feel free to review the various templates available to see which one best matches your desired outcome. Go ahead and click Select or Preview to continue. Once you choose a template, MetaLocator will load the interface builder. This is the user interface that is used to create and customize solutions within MetaLocator. You can watch the video which shows additional detail on how to use the interface builder. There are many options here, and I'll explore a few of the most common ones in this video. But for more information, review the video presented to you at this stage in the process. One of the most interesting ones is to choose a color. So you can choose the color on the left and notice the results update immediately on the right. That's how the interface builder works. For example, if I wanted to remove this category dropdown from the search option, I can simply hit the trash can icon next to that. Once I'm satisfied with the way my interface looks, I can click Save and Continue. The last step in the process is to install the interface we've just created. I'm going to go ahead and copy that installation code to my clipboard, go to my website, and paste that on an empty page where I would like the MetaLocator interface to appear. Once that's done, I can close this. That's all there is to getting started with MetaLocator. As your visitors go to your website and view the store locator, analytics and conversions will appear in this dashboard. I hope that this has been an informative tutorial. Thanks for watching.